Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Sony earbuds to Android Instant Link step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your Sony earbuds are fully charged. Take the earbuds out of their charging case. Press and hold the power button on the earbuds until you see the indicator light flash. This indicates that the earbuds are now in pairing mode. Now, pick up your Android device. Unlock your Android device to access the home screen. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and select Connected Devices. Tap on Pair New Device. Wait for your device to search for available Bluetooth devices. Look for your Sony earbuds in the list of available devices. Once you see them, tap on the name of the earbuds. Your device will begin the pairing process. After a few seconds, a notification should confirm that the connection was successful. You may also hear an audio prompt from the earbuds indicating they're connected. Now, you can start using your Sony earbuds to enjoy music and calls. If you encounter any issues, ensure that Bluetooth is enabled on your Android device. You may also want to restart both the earbuds and the device if problems persist. Once connected, your Sony earbuds will automatically pair with your Android device in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.